Hello guys, welcome back to My Dreams Academy. Guys, today we will start and discuss very important topic right now, very interested topic, cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle is actually what? Right now, cardiac cycle is a set of event. What we can say, it is a set of event. Guys, normally everyone know about the cardiac cycle completed what guys? The one cardiac cycle completed 0.8 second. But how? Right now, what is the concept of this 0.8 second guys? Right now, so you know guys, our heartbeat rate is what guys? Our heartbeat rate is what? That is called the 72 time per minute. Right now our heartbeat rate is what guys? 72 time per minute. It's the average. Normally what we can say, our NCERT is saying 70 to 75 per minute, but the average is what guys? 72 time per minute right now. So guys, 1 minute is equal to what? 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So what we will do, 60 by what guys? 60 by 70 2 times right now, so is equal to what guys? Is equal to 0.8 second. What guys? 0.8 second. So the one cardiac cycle, what we can say guys, that is called one cardiac cycle completed at 0.1 second, 0.8 second. What guys? 0.8 second. Guys, this 0.8 second, here we will distribute it into 3 parts. What guys? That is called the 0.1 second will be there, 0.4 second will be there, as well as a 0.3 second will be there. Now let's be discuss guys, in 0.1 second what will be process occur right now, in 0.4 second and in 0.3 second. So guys, let's be discuss about all those process. Guys, this is what? This is about of the cardiac cycle, right? So the largest phase is what guys? That is called the 0.4 second right now. Next is what guys? This is called the 0.1 second, and the next one is known as what? This is called the 0.3 second is there. 0.3 second is there, right? Guys, 0.4 second is what? 0.4 second indicate this is called the joint diastole. What guys? Joint diastole. You know very well guys concept of the diastole and systole. So what is the meaning of the systole guys? Right now, systole means what? Systole means contraction. What we can say? Contraction. And the diastole means what guys? What we can say? Diastole means relaxation. Diastole means what guys? Diastole means relaxation is there right now. So systole means contraction and diastole means relaxation is there. So guys, 0.4 second here what occur? Joint diastole occur. What is the meaning of that? Here joint diastole. Get joint diastole in the sense here all chambers will be what guys? Relax. All chamber of heart will be what guys? It will be relax. Is that clear or not guys? All chamber relax. Guys, if all chamber relax, in the sense what guys? Bicuspid and tricuspid valve will be open. What we can say here? Guys, bicuspid plus tricuspid valve open. So guys, if bicuspid and tricuspid valve will be open, so easily blood will be enter. For example guys, like tricuspid valve found in where? Found in the right, in between the right auricle and right ventricle. Toward the right auricle what present guys? Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. So superior vena cava carry deoxygenated blood from the upper body part, and inferior vena cava carry what guys? Deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body right now. So finally deoxygenated blood comes where guys? Comes in the right auricle side. From right auricle to left, right auricle to right ventricle side, deoxygenated blood will be transferred right now by the opening of what? Tricuspid valve. The bicuspid or mitral valve found in between the left auricle and left ventricle side right now. So in between that, left auricle carry the oxygenated blood right now with the help of the pulmonary veins. So finally oxygenated blood comes toward where guys? Comes toward the left ventricle side. Why? Due to the opening of bicuspid and tricuspid valve. So what we can say guys? Valve is open, so here no pressure will be there, so we can say what guys? That is called the negative pressure. Pressure will be what guys? Negative pressure will be there, right? Blood will be oxygenated and deoxygenated, both blood will be enter toward the ventricle side right now. So guys, what we will say here, 70% ventricle filling occur. What we can say guys? Here 70% ventricle filling occur. Is that clear or not guys? Okay. Now after that, what is the meaning of their 0.1 second? 0.1 second they indicate what guys? This is called the atrial contraction. Atrial contraction right now guys. Atrial contraction means auricle will be contract. the time of the auricle contraction is what guys, 0.1 second will be there. Now what will be happen in a 0.3 second? Guys, in 0.3 second here it show ventricular, here it show ventricular systole, means what guys, ventricular contraction. Guys, when ventricle will be contract, so in the sense what guys, auricle will be relaxed. So what we can say, that is called the atrial relaxation, in the sense what guys, atrial diastole occur. So here atrial relaxation occur, why? Because of the ventricular systole occur, ventricular contraction occur. Guys, our oxygenated and deoxygenated blood filled in where guys, in a ventricle region. Right now in a ventricle region, ventricle systole occur. Right now in the ventricle region pressure arises. Right now guys, when pressure arises in a ventricle region, then what will happen? Due to pressure of a ventricle region, what guys, pressure, what I am saying, ventricular systole occur na, in the sense what, in the sense positive pressure occur. What guys, positive pressure occur. So when pressure occur in a ventricle region, then blood try to flow back toward where guys, toward ventricle to auricle. Right now, and the auricle, in between the auricle and ventricle, what present? Bicuspid and tricuspid valve present, in form of what guys, in form of the open, because of the open bicuspid tricuspid valve is there. So must be close the bicuspid and tricuspid valve. Why? Because it prevented the backflow of blood. Right. So here what happened guys, here bicuspid plus what guys, that is called the tricuspid valve, bicuspid and tricuspid valve will be closed. So when bicuspid and tricuspid valve will be closed, so never backflow of blood occur. Why? Because of the bicuspid and tricuspid closed. Guys, during the closing of bicuspid and tricuspid valve, here the one sound will be arises. What we can say? First sound. What guys? First sound will be arises. The first sound is known as a lub. First sound is known as a lub will be there. After that, what will happen guys? You know, from the right ventricle side, what arises guys? From the right ventricle side, pulmonary artery arises. And you know function of the pulmonary artery. All artery carry the oxygenated blood, but pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood. So from the right ventricle, which type of the blood filled guys? Deoxygenated blood filled right now. So deoxygenated blood carry by who? Carry by the pulmonary artery from the right ventricle side. Clear? And the left ventricle carry, left ventricle side what present guys? Presence of the oxygenated blood occur. So from the left ventricle side what arises? Aorta arises. So both aorta as well as a pulmonary artery have what guys? Semilunar wall, means what? SLV wall present. What present guys? SLV. So pulmonary artery we can say pulmosemilunar wall, and in case of the aorta we can say aortic SLV. Right now, so what will be happen due to the ventricular contraction, ventricular systole, here SLV will be what guys? Open. Right, SLV will be what guys? Open. So after the opening of the SLV, why? Because due to high pressure, due to pressure in the ventricle, positive pressure. So when SLV will be open, then what happen guys? From the right ventricle side, pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood. Is that clear? And from the left ventricle side, aorta present, so it carry what guys? It carry the oxygenated blood. So after the opening of the SLP, blood injection occur. Blood injection occur. Now blood will be what guys? Oxygenated blood will be moved from where guys? Left ventricle side, and deoxygenated blood moved from where guys? From the right ventricle side. Is that clear? Okay. Now guys, again same situation will be occur. Maybe backflow of the blood occur. So for the prevention of backflow of blood, what we will do? Close the, must be need to close the SLV wall. So after the injection of blood, what will be happen guys? SLV will be closed. SLV will be closed. So it prevented the backflow of blood. What guys? It prevented the backflow of blood. So guys, when SLV will be closed, so again one sound will be generated. Again one sound will be generated, that is known as a dub sound. So guys, during the closing of bicuspid and tricuspid valve, which type of the sound will generate guys? That is called the first sound known as a lub. And during the closing of SLV, which sound will generate guys? That is called the dub will be there. And here guys, 30% ventricle filling occur. What guys? 30% filling will be occur, right? So this is what guys, this is a total about of the time duration of the 0.8 second right now. And guys, sometime question will ask about of the cardiac output. So how you will calculate about what guys? Calculate about of the cardiac output. So simply guys, you can calculate, that is what guys, heartbeat rate. What you can say guys, that is called the heartbeat rate into what guys, into stroke volume, into what guys, into stroke volume. So this is what guys, this is about of the cardiac output. So guys, this is about of the total about of the cardiac cycle. It's a very important guys. If suppose that if you have the some doubt is there, so you can just comment, I will give the response right now. Okay guys, have a nice day. We will meet into next video.